So welcome back to this Amazon KDP course with phone. Yeah, you are welcome back. So this video will show you how to do book research, how to do your book research. It is very easy step if you follow the procedure. It won't take you more than maybe it shouldn't take you more than 15 minutes to do a book research. So by the time you start doing it gradually, as in you start following the process, it won't take you more than 5 minutes to do it. So this is the process of doing book research. Then I will go to my browser, which is Kiwi's browser. So on my browser I'll just type Amazon. Make sure your browser is on desktop mode. I've already shown you how you can put it on desktop mode. So on it I will just type Amazon non-fiction. Okay, Amazon non-fiction seller list. Amazon, you can publish book on Amazon, different different categories on Amazon. There is non-fiction, there is fiction. Fiction is just like novel, but I don't really do novels. But if you can do novels too, you can just write it. I don't write on novels because they are very voluminous. It has to have like 100 pages before it can be complete. Novels are very voluminous, but these non-fictions which are non-voluminous, you can just write 10 pages of book and you publish it and people will buy, but you can't do that for novels. So I focus on non-fiction. So this is how I do my book research. Go to your browser, type in Amazon non-fiction bestseller list. So this is the result. So I just click on this, so this is the first top 100. So all these here are non-fiction bestseller list top 100. But like I said, these are just marketplace. You don't do your research on the marketplace, you niche down. So these are if you come to the left hand side, you see these are marketplace: art and photography, biography and memo, business and money, so on to travels. These are marketplace. These are all books pertaining to art and photography. You see there, biography and memo, biography, all this, everything you see there. But I've told you already that you should focus on relationship, health and wealth. So let's look for those things that I listed. So if you are going for relationship, so that should be parenting and relationship. That is right here, parenting and relationship. And if we are going for health, that should be health, fitness and dieting. Then if it is wealth, how to make money, that should be business and money. These are the marketplace. So I will go into parenting and relationship. I'm niching down right now. Just follow the process. So these are the sub markets. These are the sub markets in parenting and relationship. These are the sub markets. You can see everything is not changing. Then I will niche down. I'm still here to niche down. These are the sub markets: adoption, aging parents, family. So let me go to fertility and infertility. Let me check it out. So I'm niching down. This is niche. So this is niche. I've niched down now. This is niche. So I do my book research here. These are what people are buying on Amazon. People are buying in their bestseller list. People are buying it. You can see their top 100. Their bestseller list. People are buying it. So the next step I will do is to just check out the top title of the book. Then I will try to know what is written on the book. So like this one now, it starts with the X. I can't really say what the book is all about. Lies, I can't really say. Then taking charge of your fertility. Let me zoom in. Taking charge of your fertility, the definitive guide to natural birth control, pregnancy achievement, and this one you can actually decode what the book is all about. This is about pregnancy, getting pregnant, birth control, and pregnancy achievement. Then let me look again. Maybe I can see another one that is straightforward. This one is not pregnant, not pregnant. I can't really decode this one. Is it talking about people that don't want to get pregnant and people that want to pregnant and they can? Okay, let's see this one. The Patient Woman's Guide to Getting Pregnant. I cannot actually write books on this one. Yes, on this one. Impatient Woman's Guide to Getting Pregnant. I can actually write book on this one because I can decode what it is saying. It is actually saying how to get pregnant, but is just in another format. This is just how to get pregnant. So the next step I have to do is just go to Amazon. I open a new browser, then type amazon.com. Then go. So this is amazon.com, but we are concerned with Kindle. This is for all their stores, but we are concerned with ebooks. So where you see all, click on it, then change it to Kindle Store. This is where they sell ebooks. So I will just type in how to get pregnant and see what is going on here. How to get pregnant. Wow. So this is it, how to get pregnant. And yeah, I have to write a book on this one. This is it, how to get pregnant. Then I forgot to tell you, the first, if you want to write a book on Amazon, you check the bestseller rank. You check the bestseller rank, and you check the niche. Is it less competitor? Is it more competitive or less? If I say competitors, that means you have to check here. Let me show you this right here. It shows you how much of competition is on the niche you are searching for, but I'm seeing just 560 results. So this one is not much. The competitor is not much. If you see a niche with more than 1,000 competitors, don't write a book on it. It's already saturated. Don't write a book on it. I always advise newbies that they should write a book on niche with less than 800 competitors. So if you search for if you are doing your book research and you search for a topic and you are seeing right here you are saying like 800 or 1,000, don't write a book on it. But this 560 is still okay, so I can write a book on it. Then the next step you want to check is your bestseller rank. All these ones are not books. Bestseller rank. If a book is bestseller rank of the book is more than 25,000, don't write a book on it. If the bestseller rank is more than 25,000, don't write a book on it. It's because people are not really buying the books. But if it's less than 25,000 for a newbie, yes, that means you can write a book on it. So the book I searched, this is the bestseller rank, 84,215. Is more than 25,000. That means I'm quitting this. I'm not writing a book on it. Anymore. If you are looking at your Amazon.com account and you are not seeing this, don't be scared, don't panic. It's because you've not downloaded all the extensions required for it to be showing. this, when I say extension, this is what I mean by extension, these three things right here. So I will show you how you can download those extensions from your on your phone for free. You're actually getting it for free. So just open a new browser, then type Chrome extension, Chrome extension, sorry, Chrome extension. So this is, just click on one, then click on okay, extension Chrome Web Store. Then when you get to Chrome extension, just on the search store site, just click search for AMZ suggestion expander. AMZ suggestion expander. Click on the search. Suggestion expander. Then search. So this is it, AMZ suggestion expander. Then click on it. If you click on it, come to the, let me zoom in. You see this page that you are seeing remove from Chrome. It's because I already have it on my phone, that's why it's saying remove from Chrome. If you are just going there, you just see add to Chrome. So click on the add to Chrome, it will be downloaded to your phone. This is one of the extensions. Then go back to the extensions again. Click on the search box, then type in KDP / Amazon BSR. Search KDP / Amazon BSR. This one is off by Self-Publishing Titans. Same way you did the first one, just click, then add to Chrome. It will be added to your Chrome. Then come to the extensions again. Go back to extension. Go back to extension. Then search for DS Amazon Quick View. DS Amazon Quick View. Then search. So same as the others, you click on it, then you add to extensions. That is how you get those extensions. And when you search for anything, you are doing book research, it will be giving you everything you need to know. The bestseller rank will be shown, then this result will be shown. The bestseller rank, the review, then the prices, the highest price, the lowest price, and the average price. So you can know how you can price your book. So that is how about it. So I don't really want to write a book on this because the bestseller rank is too much. So I will go back to my book research. So I go back to my book research. Maybe let me go to another niche. I think that niche is very saturated already. Let me go back to another niche. So I'm going to family and relationship. Let me go to motherhood. Motherhood. Let me go to motherhood. Oh, I can't really decode all this thing. Let me go back to another niche. This is how you do your book research. Let me go back to parenting and relationship. This is how you do your book research. It's not easy getting books on time, but if you can get just 2 or 3 books, you can just write a book on it. Let me go to emotions and feelings. I can't see anything here. Let me go back to Kindle store. Kindle ebooks. Sorry, I'm pressing Kindle store, then Kindle ebooks. So let me check out health, fitness and dieting. Let me check out health, fitness and dieting. Let me check out relationship. Relationship, and let me check marriage and long time relationship. Okay, like this one right here, 5 love language. You already decode what it's saying. No X before marriage. Okay, this one, 7 principles of making marriage works. I think this one too is okay. 7 principles of making marriage work. You already know it's talking about how you can make your marriage work. So let me do a book research on it. How you can make your marriage work. Let me do a book research on it. Where is it? Yeah, this is it. Let me go back to my Amazon.com. Then on this place, I will search for how to make marriage work. I will search for the keyword which is making marriage work. So let's see what will come out. Wow, this one is too much. 2000 is already saturated. So let me retweet the word how to make marriage work. Let me retweet it. How to make marriage work. Wow, it's back to 536. I think this one is okay. How to make marriage work. So what I have to do is I'm waiting for the bestseller list to come out so I can know if it is profitable or not. So I'm waiting for it to come up. It's still loading. I don't know why it's taking this long. This video is getting too long. So let's continue the next video. Let me stop it here and see what is going on.